Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pesto from wild garlic. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 100 grams of fresh wild garlic leaves, 50 grams of pine nuts or walnuts for a lovely texture, and 50 grams of grated Parmesan cheese. Don't forget 100 milliliters of quality olive oil, plus a pinch of salt and pepper to enhance the flavors. This simple recipe is incredibly rewarding and brings a fresh taste to any meal. Now, let's get our ingredients ready for blending. Start by washing your wild garlic leaves very well under cold water to remove any dirt. It's crucial to then pat them completely dry with a clean kitchen towel. Excess water can make your pesto watery. Next, lightly toast your pine nuts or walnuts in a dry pan over medium heat for a few minutes until fragrant. This simple step really brings out their delicious nutty flavor. It's time to bring everything together. Place your washed wild garlic, toasted nuts, and grated Parmesan cheese into a food processor. Pulse the mixture a few times until it forms a coarse, crumbly paste. Then, with the processor running, slowly drizzle in the 100 milliliters of olive oil. Continue blending until your pesto reaches a smooth, yet slightly textured consistency. Give it a taste and adjust the salt and pepper to your liking. Once your delicious wild garlic pesto is ready, transfer it to a clean, airtight jar. To help preserve its freshness, pour a thin layer of olive oil over the top before sealing. You can store this vibrant pesto in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For longer storage, consider freezing it in small portions, which will keep for several months. Enjoy your homemade pesto with pasta, spread on toast, or as a flavorful addition to many dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.